What are hiccups? If you want to know about it, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hiccups are repetitive, uncontrollable contractions of the diaphragm muscle. Your diaphragm is the muscle just below your lungs. It marks the boundary between your chest and abdomen. The diaphragm regulates breathing. When your diaphragm contracts, your lungs take in oxygen. When your diaphragm relaxes, your lungs release carbon dioxide. The diaphragm contracting out of rhythm causes hiccups. Each spasm of the diaphragm makes the larynx and vocal cords close suddenly. This results in a sudden rush of air into the lungs. Your body reacts with a gasp or chirp, creating the sound characteristics of hiccups. Singultus is the medical term for hiccups. Possible common causes of short term hiccups include overeating, eating spicy food, consuming alcohol, drinking carbonated beverages, consuming very hot or very cold foods, a sudden change in air temperature, swallowing air while chewing gum, excitement or emotional stress, and swallowing too much air. The majority of persistent hiccups are caused by injury or irritation to either the vagus or phrenic nerve. The following tests may be useful in determining the cause of persistent or intractable hiccups. Blood tests to identify signs of infection, diabetes or kidney disease, liver function tests, imaging of the diaphragm with a chest x-ray, CT scan or MRI, an echocardiogram to assess heart function, an endoscopy, which utilizes a thin lighted tube with a camera on the end, a bronchoscopy, which utilizes a thin lighted tube with a camera on the end to examine your lungs and airways. If you find today's video informative, please like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts.